What Control Center brings you in terms of benefits, it's really nice. The huge point is to simplify and to lower the maintenance burden for the one maintaining that, because I'm a project manager, but I am also maintaining those solutions. So I cannot just maintain those solutions. I have projects to manage, and I'm using my solution. So it's great also to see that. And so in terms of maintenance, you get to change your dashboards and sheets within a matter of minutes instead of hours. You don't have to replicate 30 times the stupid change in a sheet. So it just one with a few clicks and that's it. You still need to get trained and so on to get familiar with Smartsheet. It's not an easy piece of work, but it's doable. And what we did is that everyone across the PMO is using the same template set and so on. We have a solution that fits every need, every project. And so as I was saying, the manual updates, they take just a few minutes. And also the provisioning of new projects, it takes just a few minutes or instead of 1 or 2 hours as before.